So, I mean, if something's broken, go ahead and open your drain all the way up first and then close. You're not, I mean, you're already gonna have a flow switch going.
He can do that without, fire department isn't the person that shuts this one off.
No, I mean, no. They'll shut it off down there and hook up to the FDC and start pumping from outside, but.
So this is level 3 only.
This is level 3 only. And then you go up, there's level 4 only, level 5, and then you get up to the top, there's 2 of them. One is for level 7, they've got stickers on them and the calc plates are attached. And there's a second one that goes out to the corner of the building. There's a little horseshit penthouse thingy up there.
We call it the 8th floor.
The 8th floor, yeah. So there's 4 heads out there and that, again, not anything you should ever have to worry about. It's a heated room, just like the whole rest of the building. But if that's, you know, your alarm panel will tell you what floor your problem's on. So everything, it'll tell you level 3, level 4, 5, 8 penthouse. There's a rooftop connection with the other stairwell, where if somebody gets a hold of one of these hose valves or something. But the only thing, so what your indication that this has happened is that you've got a standpipe flow, and that would be somebody, they would have to take the cap off. These all have holes drilled in them, so there's never pressure packed behind it. So if there's a laser beam of water coming out here, and somebody's opened this up, close it, and your problem's solved. A little bit of mopping. And again, you'll know if that's your situation because it'll just show that water flow. If there's something going on any of the other residential units or in the parking garage or anything like that, it labels it and tells you specifically. But again, just standpipe will tell you that somebody has gotten wise and decided to be destructive.
Doug, if somebody comes in here and turns this, it's gonna sound
It sends a supervisory signal to the alarm panel and it'll tell you that the tamper's been, it may be closed all the way, 2 turns, and it sends an alarm. So it just inhibits flow. You come back, if you don't have any water flowing here, then you don't have an alarm. Horns and strobes going off, everybody's clearing the building, doors are slamming. So, but when that happens, that's it. Don't stop anybody till you know what's going on. Get everybody out, let the fire department figure it out.
yeah, the only time he's closing this when he knows, like he broke a head, right? He broke the head, he could run over
He
here,
can run
turn that
straight
sucker
here.
off, dump the water.
Yeah, and you want to come here, you can shut it off down there too, incoming water, but then everything in here that's stacked up
Will
will
bleed.
go. And then, I mean, there's a check valve on this, so the systems always stay pressurized until something happens. So even if we drain off all these standpipes, this still sits with operating pressure. You don't even have to close this to drain the standpipes. And that's where somebody can open up one of those. It doesn't really affect the ability to fight a fire, so they can't just do that. And you know, again, it's gonna send an alarm, so you'll know.
Water's gonna flow and
Right, it'll be coming down the stairs. I'm just thinking of people being people. You know, people use it in their apartments, I don't know if you've seen them in hotel rooms, they put stickers by all of them now, but they'll use them as coat hangers.
Yeah.
Says something up there to dry or whatever.
Yeah, I do that all the time.
That's usually when things go bad.
so stair 3 is your stair for
This
controlling
is
each
all your floor
floor.
controls, and it's closest to the riser room. You can go down, I mean, and again, these are all the same. So I don't know if you wanna walk all the way to the top to look at all of them, or
No, that's fine.
Okay.
They're all identical.
they're all identical, and everything about them. So yeah, drain hooks in, and then when you're draining, it goes down, it's through, you'll look out by the gas meter, there's a 45 sitting on the sidewalk. It'll dump out there. So that's where it's headed. The drain we had in our riser room wouldn't have held it, so all you do is fill the riser room up at some point. So do the exterior with that one.